Today we're reviewing the Bertolli Shrimp Scampi Linguine frozen dinner from Walmart. This frozen dinner was about $6 and some change. You can cut this frozen dinner, make 2 meals out of it, but I made 1 meal out of it and I shared it with my other housemates. And with this video, I went ahead and added some frozen broccoli and some garlic bread on the side, and I added my own touch to it, which you can always do. So let's get started. So in a large skillet, turn your heat to high, let that warm up. You do not need any butter, any oil, because the mix actually has a garlic butter to it. So just go ahead and heat up your pan, add your mix in. The mix consists of the pasta, the garlic butter sauce, bell peppers, red bell peppers, and shrimp. So you're gonna heat that up. This pasta actually has its own flavor to it, but I wanted a little kick, so I went ahead and added some Louisiana Cajun seasoning and some Creole seasoning, and I added a little bit of mozzarella cheese just for a cheesy texture, but this mixture is very creamy. So you're gonna heat that up for about 11 to 12 minutes. Once all your mixture in and you go ahead and add your seasoning if you wish, go ahead and turn your heat down to about medium low, because you do not want your pasta to burn and your sauce to dissolve. As I stated, I went ahead and added some broccoli. The broccoli did not come with the frozen package. I had that in my freezer, so I just went ahead and added that. I added my own spice to it, some Louisiana Cajun seasoning, some Creole, some paprika, a little bit of mozzarella cheese, and a little bit of Parmesan cheese. Of course, you can make adjustments after tasting the garlic sauce if you wish. I felt as though it had seasoning, but it did lack spice, and I like spicy food, so that's why I went ahead and added my own touch, which you can always make adjustments to suit you. So this recipe from this frozen packet was great. I really enjoyed it, and I think Bertolli also has other packages. I think they have like a chicken parmesan, I believe, and various other meals, so I'll definitely give those a try. You can't tell me this pasta don't look so creamy and so delicious. Ugh, I'm so glad I added the cheese. It gives it a nice creamy texture. I dipped my garlic bread in the garlic butter sauce. Oh my God. I really enjoyed this, and I hope you guys enjoyed this food review. Of course, as always, let me know your opinion in the description box below. I added all cooking instructions and details of this frozen dinner in the description box. I really hope that you enjoyed these videos. Thank you guys for always supporting me. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.